Hey there, scrapper people. Today we're going to tear apart this here fan with a motor in it and see if there's anything good in it. I can tell this here is aluminum. Got a little bit of wire coming out of the cord. Not sure if the motor in it's got any copper in it, but we'll find out. So we're going to get this tore apart, and the initial weight is 6 pounds. 6 pounds, 6.8 ounces. So we'll get this tore apart and see what we got. So let's get it done. We'll get this off and we'll be right back. Okay, we're back. That was a booger to get off there. Heck time getting that off. But it is metal, it's not aluminum, so let's hope there's copper in that for having to do all that, huh? I don't even know if that'd be even worth it. There's not very much copper in that. We got steel, so I just leave that together. That's steel in there, so. More steel. See if that's copper. It is copper, so we'll go ahead, we'll take this off. We'll just chew it off real quick and see what we got. It won't take long. Shouldn't take long. Went this far, we might as well recover it all, huh? being a real pain. But I'm going to put this in a vise probably the rest of the way out, so when I come back I'll have it all ready for weights. Okay, we're back, and as you can see, all the steel for this was 4 pounds, 9.3 ounces. Got a very little bit of aluminum, which is 1 ounce. .7 ounces of insulated copper. And 5.1 ounces for a little bit of copper. Was it worth it? Actually didn't take very long, so if I had another one, I say it would be. I had that done in probably just a couple minutes, 10 minutes. But at least now if you come across one, you know what's in it. You can decide whether you want to do it or not. But I hope you like my video. Like, share, and subscribe. And I'm going to keep doing them until it's no longer fun. But right now I'm enjoying this, so hopefully you are too. And so please subscribe, and I'll see you on the next time. See ya.